Okay, today's gonna be a fun one. We're in Puerto Vallarta and we're hitting not one, but two tequila factories. So first we went to breakfast and then got off the ship to head to our excursion. We booked the tequila factories and city highlights tour through Carnival, so we just had to find the sign and then we got on the shuttle bus.
We start to see bougainvillea flowers everywhere in Puerto Vallarta because we got more than 10 different colors of bougainvillea grow.
So we started the tour with the city highlights portion. On the excursion reviews, it seemed like the tequila factories portion was first and then city highlights, and people stated that they were too tired and would have preferred to do the city highlights first. So luckily that was how our day went. We walked along the shore where you can take pictures and tip the locals like this Sandman, which was pretty cool to see. It was a kind of gloomy day, so we didn't take many pictures by the water. But next you'll see the Puerto Vallarta sign where of course most tourists were taking pictures. The sign had a long line, so I honestly just recorded it. We then made our way through the city to this chapel. Then after that, we went to a store where they had plenty of silver and gemstone jewelry. They even offer a free drink, of course, to get you to buy something. My friend bought her birthstone earrings and rings, but I just looked around. Then we were headed to the tequila factories. We passed by our ship, the Carnival Panorama, and a Royal Caribbean ship, and it was about a 40-minute drive. You're fine. At the tequila factory.
Right, we have electricity, the electric machine. So we did the agaves, come over here, and then all the juice, all the sugar from the blue agave. Less liquid is too sweet. This is what we call it aguamiel. It tastes to make bubbles, but when we see the white top on the top, the man is ready for make the tequila. So we have this. And now, repeat after me, please. And louder we say, arriba. So you have a good taco and a shot of reposado. Another taco and another shot. Right? And the taste is amazing. Okay. And amigos, also, today, más tequila.
Más tequila!
Salud!
Salud!
Camina, porque no tiene, porque le falta.
Ooh, that's a lot. Gracias. That's enough. You got a big one.
I'm gonna say my honey for after.
Oh, down, down, center, center, enter, vanilla and sauce, rosemary, blueberry, almond, and peanut chocolate. Try the taste.
Almond tequila.
Oh, awesome. Good. You know, right?
Oh, that's good.
That's good.
Yeah.
To the center. Tequila. Salud.
Oh, that's the one.
That's good.
That
That's
one.
the one.
Yep.
That's the one.
Oh, awesome. Good.
Okay. I can do that one.
Say arriba. No más tequila.
No más tequila. Coffee tequila.
There's an aftertaste.
Tequila, tequila. We're at the tequila tasting factory. We tasted 7 different tequilas, having a great time out here in Puerto Vallarta. My favorite tequila was the mango, followed by peach, almond and then coffee. Blanco and reposado was too much for you, girl. I'm not a drinker, so I'm just here for the vibes and here with my bestie Crystal.
Welcome to Nayarit. The capital from Nayarit is Tepic. The government from Nayarit state is
So that's why I decided to bring it out so that way you guys know the local drink. But I'm also going to explain to you the right way to drink it. My name is so just to be clear. So on the next drink, as long as you don't use water or a chaser, it shouldn't burn anymore. And if it does, the alcohol molecule, so it makes it smoother. It doesn't make the change that we did with the raicilla because
Safe water.
if it says extrañero, it's 3
Thank you.
At this point, the excursion was done. They just had some food available for purchase and, of course, the gift shop. But I was hot, so I was just using my personal fan and chilling. Then we got back on the bus to head to the ship, and we were tired, so we were all knocked out. It was a quiet ride back to the ship. Puerto Vallarta. Today was a success. We are ready for dinner. Ship time is different than Puerto Vallarta time, so we thought we were ready for dinner, but we had like a whole extra hour. So we're just out here enjoying the views. This port, we're here till 8:30 and it's only like 5 o'clock. So we're just gonna go to dinner early. So for dinner, we ate at the main dining room as always. And if you want to see everything we ate on this 8-day Carnival Panorama cruise, then click the link above. My friend is a vegetarian, so the video also includes vegetarian and vegan meals. But then after dinner, we watched the sunset and the show What's Age Got to Do With. It was my first time watching that. And then we enjoyed the deck party. But if you're thinking about going on a Carnival cruise, check out my other videos. I have a Carnival playlist just for you. And if you made it through this whole video, then let me know in the comments where you're watching from. And if you've never been on a cruise, let this video be your sign to go ahead and book one for the future.